So Apple made waves earlier this year when it introduced the iPhone 16e in February, effectively replacing the long-running iPhone SE lineup. The move was a big shift in Apple's strategy, bringing the E model closer to the main flagship family by sharing the same numbering system. Naturally, that raised expectations. If the 16e launched alongside the 16 series flagships, would the E series now become an annual affair? Well, according to fresh leaks, that's exactly the plan. The iPhone 17e is reportedly on track to arrive in spring next year, right on schedule. And now, thanks to a new leak out of China, we already have a pretty good idea of what the iPhone 17e will bring to the table. So let's break it down. First up, the display. The iPhone 7e is said to come with a 6.1-inch OLED panel, sticking with the same size as the 16e. Apple isn't pushing the refresh rate here, though it's still capped at 60 Hz. Love it or hate it, that's the trade-off Apple seems to be keeping for its budget-friendly model. On the design front, though, things are getting interesting. The leak suggests Apple is refreshing the overall look, which could make the 17e stand out more than its predecessor did. When it comes to cameras, the setup sounds pretty familiar. On the front, you're looking at a 12-megapixel selfie shooter with Face ID, nestled inside that same dynamic island cutout we saw on the 16e. On the back, the phone will reportedly feature a 48-megapixel main camera, no mention yet of additional sensors. So this looks like a single-camera approach once again, which keeps the phone closer to Apple's entry-level segment. The iPhone 17e is expected to be powered by Apple's A19 chip, the very same processor that also drives the premium iPhone 17 series. That's a pretty big deal because it means the E model won't just be recycling older silicon this time. Instead, it'll be right in step with Apple's latest performance standards. That could make the 7e far more appealing to anyone who wants cutting-edge performance at a lower price point. Of course, aside from the new chipset and the rumored design refresh, not much else seems to be changing on paper. So in short, the iPhone 17e looks like a safe but smart upgrade. New chip, new design, and the potential for a few hidden improvements. So, what do you guys think about the upcoming iPhone 17e? Let me know your thoughts in the comments down below, and as always, I will see you guys in my next video.